Hey guys, welcome back to All PC Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your website into a professional Android app using Claude AI and Android Studio. We're going to build a modern WebView app with a beautiful dashboard UI, stylish category grids, smooth navigation, and a clean professional design. And the best part is, Claude AI will generate most of the code for us automatically, making the process much faster and easier. Now let me show you the final app. As you can see, the app has a clean modern dashboard with 6 stylish category cards. Each card includes icons, rounded corners, smooth shadows, and a modern UI design. Now when I tap on any category, it opens a WebView screen and loads content directly from my website, allpcgeek.com. So basically, each grid represents a category from my website. This makes the app feel more like a real native Android application, instead of just opening a browser. And whenever I update my website, the app content updates automatically too. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the UI, connect the category buttons, and load your website inside Android Studio step by step. Now, let's get started. Now let's build the app. First, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Then open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. I already have an account logged in, but if you don't have one yet, simply register for free. After signing in, your Claude AI interface should look similar to mine. Now we need to give Claude AI a detailed prompt. I already prepared the full prompt for this project. You can copy it from my website page. I'll put the link in the description below. Once the page opens, scroll down to step 2. Then copy the entire prompt. Now go back to Claude AI, paste the prompt here, and press enter. Now Claude AI will begin generating the complete Android Studio project automatically. Depending on the complexity of the project, this process may take some time. What Claude AI is doing right now is generating Java files, XML layouts, WebView logic, RecyclerView setup, splash screen animations, material design components, and the entire Android project structure. So basically, it's building most of the application code for us automatically. Now, let me quickly show you the exact prompt I used. I told Claude, create a complete professional Android Studio WebView application using Java. The app should contain a modern splash screen with logo animation, a dashboard activity with 6 modern grid categories. Each grid item should contain icon, title, rounded card design, shadows, and smooth click animation. When the user clicks a category, open a WebView activity. Each category should load different website URLs. Add loading progress bar, add swipe refresh, add back button navigation support, use material design, use RecyclerView with grid layout manager, use card view for modern UI, make the UI look premium and futuristic, use dark theme with green accent color, include all XML layouts, include all Java code, include Android manifest configuration, include internet permission, add comments and code for beginners, make everything production ready. And as you can see, Claude AI successfully generated the complete Android Studio project automatically. I now have Java files, XML layouts, WebView logic, splash screen code, RecyclerView setup, and everything else needed for the application. Now scroll down and download the project files in ZP format. After downloading, go to your Windows Downloads folder. For easier access, drag the zip file onto the desktop. Now, right-click on it and click Extract All. Then click Extract. And here are all our generated project files. Now let's open Android Studio. Click New Project. Choose Empty Views Activity. Then click Next. Now enter your project name, package name, and save location. For language, I'm using Java in this tutorial because it's more beginner-friendly. For minimum SDK, choose Android 7.0. Then click Finish. Now Android Studio will begin creating the project. This process may take some time because Android Studio is downloading Gradle dependencies, indexing files, configuring SDK tools, and preparing the project environment in the background. Once the project opens, we'll begin importing the generated files step by step. First, let's import the layout files. As you can see, I expanded the layout folder. Now I'll open the generated project folder on my desktop. I'll select these layout files, activity_dashboard, activity_splash screen, and activity_WebView. Now drag and drop them into the layout folder inside Android Studio. When the pop-up appears, click Yes, then click Refactor. Now I'll delete activity_main because we no longer need it. Next, under the Java folder, expand your package name folder. This is where Java source files are stored. Now select these files, Dashboard Activity, Splash Screen Activity, and WebView Activity. Drag and drop them into your package folder inside Android Studio. When the pop-up appears, click Refactor. Now delete main activity. If Android Studio shows warnings, click Refactor. Anyway, now let's open the dashboard layout design. As you can see, some red errors appear for colors. This happens because the color resources are missing. So let's fix it. Expand the values folder. This is where the colors.xml file is located. Delete the old colors file. Now drag the new colors.xml file from the generated project into the values folder. And now the red color errors are gone. Next, I'll change the title from PC Geek to All PC Geek. Now another red error appears because the Splash logo image is missing. So let's import it. Open the generated project folder, locate the Splash logo image, and drag it into the drawable folder. Perfect. The red error is now fixed. Now the remaining errors are dependency related. To fix them, place your cursor on the red error line. Press Alt plus Enter. Then choose Suppress Add Tools, Ignore Missing Class. Next, press Alt plus Enter again, and click Add Dependency. Now let's open the splash screen layout. Some drawable files are still missing, so I'll drag the Splash Glow Circle image into the drawable folder. And now the errors are gone. Next, we need to fix Gradle dependencies. Drag the build.gradle file from the generated project into the Gradle scripts section. And now Android Studio successfully imports the missing dependencies automatically. Next, let's import the strings.xml file. Delete the old strings file first, then drag the new strings.xml file into the values folder. When the pop-up appears, click Refactor. Now we need to create a new package called Model. Right-click on your package name. Click New, then Package. Type Model and press Enter. Now open the generated project folder. Locate categoriesModel.java and drag it into the new model package. When the pop-up appears, click Refactor, then click Import Class. Next, we still need some icon files, so I'll select all the icon files from the generated project. And drag them into the drawable folder. Perfect. The remaining red errors are now fixed. Now we need another package called Adapter. Right-click the package name again. Click New, then Package. Type Adapter, then press Enter. Now drag category adapter.java into the adapter package. After that, open the file and import the required classes. Next, drag the item _category layout file into the layout folder. Now, if any small red errors remain, simply highlight them and let Android Studio auto-fix them using the suggested options. Next, drag the Android manifest.xml file into the manifest folder. Click Refactor when the pop-up appears. And now, our dashboard UI is fully ready. As you can see, the app now has a modern dashboard design with stylish category cards, rounded UI, smooth layout, and professional appearance. Now let's connect our category URLs. Open dashboardactivity.java. Scroll down until you see the categories model list. Right now, my website URLs are already added. I'll open my website in the browser and copy each category URL one by one. Then I'll paste them into the correct category section inside the Java code. I'll repeat the same process for all remaining categories. This step is very important because each category button needs its own website URL to load properly inside WebView. Now all category URLs are successfully added. Next, let's test the application. Instead of using a virtual device, I'll use my real Android phone. Open Device Manager and connect your device. Now press the play button at the top to run the app. Okay, an error appears. This happens because one of the drawable XML files contains an invalid comment. So, let's fix it. Open the Splash logo drawable file. And as you can see, this comment line is causing the issue. I'll remove it. Now let's run the app again. Perfect. Now the application launches successfully. As you can see, we now have a beautiful dashboard UI, stylish category grids, smooth navigation, and a clean professional design. And when I click any category, it loads the corresponding website page directly inside the app using WebView. This is very useful because users can access your website content like a real Android application, without opening external browsers, and every time you update your website, the app content updates automatically too. Now let's change the app name. Open strings.xml and edit the app name. Next, let's add the app icon. Right-click on the rest folder. Click New, then Image Asset. Now click the folder icon and locate your app logo. Select the image. Click Next, then Finish. Perfect. The app icon is now added successfully. Now finally, let's export the APK. Click the three dots at the top, left corner. Go to Build. Scroll down to Generate App Bundle or APK. Then choose Generate APK. Android Studio will now build the APK file. After the build finishes, your Android app is ready to install or share with others. So basically, today we used Claude AI to generate a professional Android Studio WebView application automatically, then imported the files into Android Studio, i.e. fixed dependencies, connected category URLs, customized the UI, and exported the final APK successfully. I'll also put the ready-made project link in the description so you can download it and edit it yourself. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to All PC Geek, and turn on notifications for more Android Studio tutorials and AI development videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.